Let's keep going.
Ava. Ava. What? You're so adorable. Okay, wait.
Just keep going.
Ava. What? Wait, get her saying her colors. Okay, wait. What color is this? Wait, let's say your colors. Remember what you said. Blue. Blue. No, blue. Okay. Alright, shut it off, son.
Oh, do it again, Mom.
Ava. She won't do it no more. Just shut it off, please. Give me that.